Weirdly, I was just thinking I need to get a plant light, and then this company sent me one to try.
Hi, it's Mary Jane. Today I'm unboxing this Mother plant light.
So this model is called the PlantSpectrum. It does come with sliders so you can mount it horizontally, but what I really like is it's got this little base plate so that you can mount it straight up so you don't have to attach it to anything. It's freestanding. So here it is, PlantSpectrum 32. There's also some other mounting options. You can buy separate wall mounts on the Mother shop. And the other thing you can get are these kind of vertical wire things, one for each side, so you can make the height adjustable. You can scan this QR code with your phone and get some instructions, and they also just have written instructions on this cardboard. Fix the standing mount to PlantSpectrum with the M4 bolt. Plug into 100 to 240 volts with a net adapter. Use the plant library in the Mother app to discover the optimal distance for your plant type. So lots of different electrical plugins depending on where you live. So here's the base plate if you want to mount it vertically so it's freestanding. This is what I'm gonna do. So I gotta find this M4 bolt and attach them together like so. So when you scan the QR code, you get this cute little video. The base magically attaches. But seriously, I gotta find that bolt for the space. So this flat side of the base is where the light tube attaches. The side with the divot here, this is where we're gonna put the screw in. I'm gonna hold this screw in the base with one hand and flip it over, and now I've got to line up the hole that's in the bottom of the light tube right in the middle there with the screw that's coming through the base. Then you screw on the base. I'm just twisting the base onto the tube here, holding it from the bottom with one hand. You can use the Allen key that comes with it, or I'm just holding it, twisting it. So there it is, there's the bottom. So it's all nice and secure. So it comes with this little extension cord that's attached already to the base in the box. I'm just gonna take off this little twist tie, and now there's a little switch component. So I'm gonna unplug that from itself and put it in next so that I can switch this light on and off easily. Now I'm gonna look at this wall wart. I gotta find the right attachment for my plug-in. I'm gonna kind of twist that and snap it in here. So this plant light should be all set up now. It's got this base cord attached to the plant light. It's got a little bit of extension. It attaches to this switch that we put in, and then it connects to the wall wart with the proper plug-in. Let's try it. So like most plant lights, it does have that delay. I think the first place that I'm going to try it is up here on this little ledge by my plant cabinet. I got to read up on how far it should be from different kinds of plants. So that is my next little bit of research.
Assembling this plant light was surprisingly easy. All you really had to do is twist the base on so that the screw is holding on to the vertical bit, and that's it. So that's for the vertical configuration. You can also mount this light horizontal, but for me, this is just quick and simple. I'll put updates on how I like using this for my indoor plants on my blog, Home for the Harvest. So if you're looking for updates after this video is published, go to Home for the Harvest. Search Mother Plant Lights. Thank you so much, Mother Plant Lights, for sending me this. I really definitely needed it with my way too many plants that I have inside for the winter. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.